In this video, we are discussing thread synchronization.
In this program, we are defining one class. The name of the class is transfer. It is having only one method, that is the send message. So this is a method we are having. So this method is a very simple method. It is having one string to get printed, and then it will wait for 1 second, delay for 1 second. So that's why we have put this 1000 milliseconds as an input argument to this sleep method, which is public static void sleep long millis, which throws interrupted exception. We have discussed that one in the earlier videos also. That's why we have put it under the try block, and catch block is handling this interrupted exception. So e.print stack trace. So the respective body for this catch block is this one. After waiting for say 1 second of duration, then this message is sent, message concatenation is sent. This particular string will get printed. Now here we are having one class. The name of the class is message transfer, which extends thread. So as it is extending thread, so here we can override the method that is run here. Message transfer is the respective constructor. It is having one private string message and transferred object, that is the transfer class object. Here you can find that here we have defined the transfer class. So transfer class object message transfer. Message transfer is nothing but the constructor of this class, that is the message transfer, which takes this string message and transfer object trans as input argument to instantiate these instance variables within the class transfer message transfer. And here, as this particular class is extending thread class, so that's why we are overriding the run method here, and here we have used the synchronized message transfer. You can find that this message transfer is nothing but the transfer class object, and synchronized message transfer, within this synchronized block we have called this method, that is a message transfer dot send message. That means we have called this method under the synchronized block. So what will happen when we will be having multiple objects under this message transfer class, and when for all of them we'll be calling the start method. Okay, let me discuss this one. I think that will clear your conception. So public class sync thread. So this is a class we have defined. Under this we are having the main function, and we have defined one transfer class object, that is a transfer trans is equal to new transfer, and message transfer objects, that means this class objects we are defining, so that we can call the start, we can call this start method, which will call in turn the run method here. So that's why message transfer message 1 is equal to new message transfer. What is this? This is the respective message, and this is the transfer class object. You can find that we defined that respective constructor earlier. So that is the string message and transfer object trans. So the string message here is hello. In this case, for the second message transfer object message 2, we are passing this world as the string, and next time we are passing this Java as the string. And this trans is nothing but the transfer class object. We are passing that one. And then message 1 dot start, message 2 dot start, and message 3 dot start we have called. That means these particular start methods will be calling this run method. So now what will happen when this particular message transfer dot send message will be executed, this method will be executed, then other respective start methods, whatever you have called from other message transfer objects, so they cannot enter into the critical section. They'll be waiting in the queue, and because we have put this message transfer dot send message method calling within the synchronized block. So let me go for the execution. You can find that what is happening. You see, hello is sending, hello is sent. So that means this particular codes are getting executed when we call this send message. You can find that. Then Java is sending, Java is sent, world is sending, world is sent. In this way the things are taking place. So that means once this send message is been called, from the respective class object, then until completion of this send message method, the next send message method, which is being called from other object, will not get initiated. And that is the purpose of our synchronized block here. So if we comment this particular block, let me tell you that what is going to happen. If you see, if I make this particular block commented, so that means this message transfer or send message, it is not under the synchronized block here. So what will happen if you go for execution? You can find that hello is sending, Java is sending, then sometimes back sometimes after we're getting this hello is sent, Java is sending here, then Java is sent. So now see, there is no synchronization. So there is no synchronization. All the send message methods are executing in parallel, and that's why the output is being obtained in a very haphazard way. And one thing is very important here. You can find that we're having this hello sending, Java sending, world sending. Hello is sent, world is sent, Java is sent. If I execute my code once again, you might be getting them in some different order. If you might be getting them in some different order. So that's why, because there is no synchronization. But if we put this synchronous block enabled here and comment it, you can find that how the codes are getting executed. So I think now the conception is getting clear to you, that so hello is sending, hello is sent, Java is sending, Java is sent, and world is sending, then world is sent. So now I think you have got the idea what is the purpose of synchronous block in our Java code.